Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare creatine versus Creap. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound vital for muscle energy, helping to power your workouts. Creap, on the other hand, is a specific, high-quality brand of creatine monohydrate, known for its exceptional purity. Both forms deliver similar benefits, significantly boosting your strength, power, and overall muscle growth. Understanding their differences helps you choose the right supplement for your fitness goals and ensures you get the most from your efforts. When it comes to purity, Creap sets a high standard. It's produced in Germany with strict quality controls, ensuring it's free from impurities and unwanted byproducts. Many generic creatine products, however, can vary widely in their manufacturing processes and ingredient quality. Creap guarantees a minimum of 99.9% pure creatine monohydrate, offering peace of mind regarding what you're consuming. This commitment to quality is a key differentiator for many users. Regardless of whether you choose standard creatine or Creap, the performance benefits are largely the same. Both effectively increase muscle strength, power output, and aid in muscle recovery. For daily maintenance, a dose of 3 to 5 grams is typically recommended. Some individuals opt for a loading phase, taking around 20 grams daily for 5 to 7 days to quickly saturate muscle stores. Consistency is key for maximizing results with either form. When considering cost, Creap typically comes with a higher price tag, reflecting its certified purity and stringent manufacturing standards. Conversely, generic creatine monohydrate is often more budget-friendly and readily available from many supplement brands. Both are effective, so your choice might depend on your budget and preference for guaranteed purity. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.